Why, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This one came from 5 a.m. Ramen. Go to instantramen.jp. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This guy Frank, he's got some absolutely out-of-sight ramen that you can try. A little spendy, but worth it, because look at that. 7-Eleven Gold. Super fancy. I believe this is a Tomita. I believe that is, what's it called? Tomita-san? It's a fancy Mr. Ramen Chef. Dato Daren. I don't know, but it looks neat, and each one goes for the 4 minutes. So let's get the 4 minutes on. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we're going to turn this off. And we're going to put in, this one's going to steep. Yeah, these are all liquid. Non-perishable liquid. Our noodle block, definitely not a fried crunchy noodle that you can just like eat like potato chips, ladies and gentlemen. And then here is our chashu and veg combo dealie. We'll drop that in, and we will beat the clock. Been beaten. So let's shmeh. And I will eat the chashu. I'm not gonna just use the chashu that comes with it, because that's just, I can't do it. I've got homemade chashu. Why would I, So yeah, we're supposed to get more snow. I'm hoping to go out walking in the Arctic-ish tundra today, and that'll be fun. That'll be in about an hour and a half. So I'm only doing 3 reviews a day today. I did 4 yesterday. Hopefully, that might be it for this week, because if my son's feeling better, he'll go back to school tomorrow, and then I'll have all that time to walk around. Oh my god. Unless it's it's a sheet of ice. And that's very possible. But I think right now it's switching over to the rain, and then it's going to switch back to snow. Although nothing's sticking. It sticks on the grass, but that's about it. I'd say maybe, I mean, we've got like enough to cover everything right now, but there's snow on the trees. But other than that, you got rooftops. I'm noticing some of the rooftops are melting, and a little bit on the grass. So yeah, but the street itself is pretty much clear. But yeah, it's good. It's good. Been having a debate in the Ramen Junkies group, the most fascinating group about instant noodles you will ever find. Go on Facebook, type in Ramen Junkies, join, you will be let in, and you can share your fascination with instant noodles with over 70,000 like-minded people. The term hack. So, you don't want somebody to call you a hack, do you? Well, when it comes to food, there's people like to say, try out this great new ramen hack. It's like, there's no cleverness, there's no technique or skill generally in these hacks. Put some mayonnaise in it. Put a pat of butter on it. It's like, why don't you just call it a recipe? I just don't understand. Somebody said that the reason that they call it a hack is because, well, people understand that term. It's an easily understood term. Oh, you mean like recipe? I don't know why you're so hung up on this whole hack thing. Because it sounds stupid. It's like the people who call pizza za. I can't stand that. And the other one is calling guacamole guac. Why would you deny yourself the enjoyment of saying, repeat after me, guacamole? It's fun. It's a nice word. It's like most words aren't as much fun to say. Jesus, come on, guys, get with it. I don't get it. Kids these days just need to put them in a box and put them out on the street and give them away. But you go to the grocery store. It's like free kittens. Do with them what you want. But yeah, I don't. And it's not just the kids, it's like the adults trying to sound like hipsters and throw in the whole y'all thing and all that crap. It's just like a big load of crap. Hell in a handbasket, I say. Freaking decorum. Good God. Anyways. Yeah. No hack in here. If I were to do a hack, I would need a keyboard. See, that's because you're hacking on the keys. That's where that term comes from. You're a hacker because you're hacking on the keys. Also, there's the term, wow, what a hack. That's a person who does something and not well. Ooh, look at the goo. But yeah, the whole term of, I don't know, the world we live in just sucks. You got all these people jumping up and down, freaking out on YouTube, going, oh my God, hi guys! Blah, 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 blah. I actually did a video making fun of them. And I tried to do it I put like a monster truck in it and all this. I'll have to find that. And I called it like ultra best ramen hack. And I can't remember what I put like mustard. I even wrote a script for it. I mean, it was so bad. I think I did it for April Fool's. And I'm pretty sure people saw that and were like, oh wow, this is great. This is so great. Wow, what a great video. Keep it up. It's just like, don't say that to me. That's insulting. Yeah, generally I dislike 99.9% of what I see on YouTube. I mean, I like news coverage and stuff like that, old video, but when it comes to YouTubers, most of it I just can't stand because it's just like, whoa, calm down a wee bit, take it down a notch, you know? And they'll do exactly what the whole quote-unquote best practices thing. Personally, fuck best practices. It just really disturbs me. That's like, I don't want to watch basically guy A, guy B, guy C, and guy D talking about different things, but delivering the same formula and format. I just do what I do, you know? I do it because I like it. I don't care if it adheres to best practices. And generally, the only thing that I wish I could do that I can't is, what do you call it? Use more, just use copyrighted content in my videos, which I generally don't do. As far as music, I mean, I would be using all sorts of music you've never heard and possibly getting people interested in buying it, but no. Here's the chashu. I'm going to eat this and I'll use my own. It's all right. I mean, it's not floating my boat. But look at this broth. Oh, that's me. Look at the broth. I'm not even trying the noodles first. I'm trying the broth. Look at that. Hello. Interesting. Interesting. Very rich. I'm getting like maybe a yuzu aroma. It doesn't, I don't know. If there's yuzu in there, it's very light. There's a lot going on here. Dare I say almost too much. I don't know if I don't know how I feel about this one. I'm gonna have to ruminate on that a bit. It's interesting. The ingredients are definitely quality, but I'm not sure that it seems like it's got a lot of good stuff, but it ends up kind of monotone. Uh-oh. I hear child. He's been feeling really good in the last couple days homesick. He's been going in his room. I got him an Alexa. He's been hanging out with her and listening to Panic at the Disco quite a bit. We were listening to Christmas music last night. Watching horrible videos of what's going on in China right now. It's not nice for them. They don't like it. Oh, sure. Why is there another piece of... There's my chashu. I like my chashu. You know what I just like using my torch. No, but honestly, I will eat that chashu. Wow, we have more than one egg left. Yeah. Yeah. And one slice too many of Noodle Tomaki. This will go back in the freezer. I don't like to waste this stuff. What's nice about having it snow outside is that currently it is not sunny. And the lighting I'm getting from my window over there is pretty decent. What I need to do is get all our reusable shopping bags out to the car because they're kind of in the way. That makes it difficult. I don't like junk being in my way. Okay, all right, yeah. Bigger, stronger, better, yeah. Need to get more log on my, I think, because, yeah, I think people react better to log on ma than sheets, you mean? I don't know. I tell you, though, you should go to the place and get the stuff. What stuff? That stuff. Oh, wait. That stuff. Go to homia.com. They're really nice. Nice lady, doing good things, sharing the Malaysian food experience. And go to instantramen.jp. Get the stuff he's got. Buy it all. Buy all of it. And tell him the Ramen Raider sent you. Well, let's watch this spin around and do that now. Yeah. Each and every day. There will be more to see. I'm turning off my selfie light. I'm turning off my selfie light. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.